Hi, I'm Chizu Chukwumayema, and I'm going to share with you the core components of a virtual machine and how I can leverage on virtualization technology in a business setting. A virtual machine is a software emulation of a physical computer, which runs an operating system and applications just like a physical machine, but it is hosted on a physical server using a virtualization software. 1. The hypervisor. The hypervisor is a software layer that enables virtualization. It also manages multiple virtual machines on a single physical host. We have two types of hypervisors. Type 1, bare metal, which runs directly on hardware. Example, VMware ESXi or Microsoft Hyper-V. Type 2, which is hosted. It runs on top of an operating system. Example, VirtualBox, VMware Workstation. 2. Virtual hardware. It emulated components that mimic physical hardware, like the CPU, memory, storage, network interfaces, and graphics adapter. These are configurable and isolated by VM. 3. Guest operating system. The operating system installed inside the virtual machines, example, Windows and Linux. It operates independently from the host operating system. 4. Virtual machine files, which are configuration files, virtual disk files, example, VMDK and .vdi, then snapshots and logs. VM files are stored on the host system or network storage. 5. Management tools. These are interfaces for creating, monitoring, and managing virtual machines. Examples, vSphere, Hyper-V Manager, Proxmox VE. Then let's talk about how I can leverage the virtualization technology in a business setting. Virtualization offers flexibility, scalability, and it is cost efficient. To harness it in business, we make use of the server consolidation which it offers by running multiple virtual machines on fewer physical servers. This reduces hardware cost, energy consumption, and maintenance. 2. Disaster recovery and backup. Snapshots and VM replication allow quick recovery. Virtual machines can be backed up and restored easily across locations. Thirdly, testing and development. Developers can spin up isolated environments for testing. No need for dedicated physical machines. 4. Scalability and load balancing. Easily scale resources up and down based on demand. Distribute workloads across multiple virtual machines for performance. 5. Security and isolation. Virtual machines are sandboxed. If one is compromised, others remain unaffected. So they are independent of each other. They are useful. Security and isolation is useful for running legacy apps or risky software. 6. remote work and virtual desktops. We can deploy virtual desktop infrastructure for secure remote access. Centralized management of user environments. All these help to maximize profit by reducing costs, which would have been incurred had it been that we will go on physical hardware. So virtualization is a very cost-effective way that can help businesses. And this is exactly how I intend to leverage on the virtualization technology in businesses. Thank you so much.